Crash courses. Today's crash course is on skydiving. Sandra, have you ever wanted to hurl yourself from a plane at 14,000 feet, free fall for 60 seconds, and then pray like crazy you remember to pack your parachute correctly?
I would never jump from 14,000 feet, sir.
You know what? You're right, because 14,000 feet isn't high enough.
Oh boy.
I wonder how high I can go.
Well, sir, the highest jump ever recorded was from 136,000 feet.
Actually, I was thinking more like 14,006 feet, but challenge accepted.
That's a horrible idea, sir.
Oh, Sandra, you make me laugh. All right, time for the fast facts. Fact number 1, skydivers are usually falling at a speed of about 115 miles per hour when they open their parachutes. Fact number 2, sometimes up to hundreds of skydivers jump together in large groups, holding hands for part of the fall. Fact number 3, people have skydived from heights so far up that they need a spacesuit to keep them alive for the first part of the fall.
Did you hear that, sir?
Yes, I'll need a spacesuit. Ta-ta! Oh, Sandra, here I am on the edge of the Earth's atmosphere, and I feel like on this momentous occasion, I should say something meaningful. But I can't think of anything, so I'm gonna jump. Woo! Speeding up fast. Hey, it's getting a little bit warm. Ooh, Sandra, just how long is this gonna take?
From that height, sir, it's at least 20 minutes until you reach the Earth.
What? 20 minutes? Oh, this is hot. I'm burning up. Oh, ah! Well, that went pretty well.
It went horribly, sir.